we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this ruined castle in the UK. We're going to be looking at how to say more names of famous places around Britain as well. So let's break down the different pronunciations. Yes, it can be said different ways. It's located in Scotland. So in English, it's generally said as Urquhart. Urquhart. It's generally the standard English pronunciation, but locally in Scotland, in Scottish, it is said rather as Urquhart. Urquhart. Okay, Urquhart. So two different pronunciations, and you can use either of them. How do you say it? Let us know in the comments, by the way. Urquhart or Urquhart. And now you know, like this video, if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching.